Background of the study. From very simple innovations to sophisticated ones, people truly are the beneficiaries of technology. As technology continues to evolve, there is a chance that a course on the internet will even be taken over as a way of learning progresses. Many academic lacks information are taught about what to do in online courses. While the public says that online classes offer scholars choice regarding the location and time, it cannot be stopped from providing those circumstances. And scholars who can afford to own anything still have a hard time and are unable to deal with teachings and subjects.
Objectives. Number one, to find out the physical difficulties that the students encounter. This includes exhaustion due to long hours technology or gadgets interaction, students gaining or losing weight for the reason of lacking of sleep. And third, loss of appetite caused by poor time management and handling school works. Number two, determine the mental challenges students undergo. Some students may experience depression due to lack of financial support, stress caused by lots of activities and works. And third, mental illness or bipolarity sometimes caused by disturbance, environment or community that surrounds the student as well as home setting that aren't compatible for online class. And third, list the student's way of coping with these challenges. Social peer communication, interacting or communicating with schoolmates and classmates could really help to overcome online struggles.
Significance of the study. This study is conducted to find out the difficulties encountered by the grade 12 student of Central Philippine University. This study will benefit the students for them to be aware about the difficulties that they may encounter in online learning and how they can deal with this, and for the parents to guide and assist their children. The Central Philippine University will be knowledgeable about the difficulties so that they can find a solution or adjust a system of learning. The study will benefit the future researchers for them to be prepared if they are also doing online classes.
Scope and limitation of the study. The aim of our study is to recognize the day-to-day challenges faced by the senior high school student of Central Philippine University in doing online classes. The demographic of our study is grade 12 students of Central Philippine University, which only covers students living in Panay Island, and this research has a period of 6 months. This research is limited to grade 12 senior high school students at Central Philippine University.
Definition of terms. Problems. Problems is a situation that is unsatisfactory and causes difficulties for people. In the study, problem refers to the circumstances, troubles, and complications encountered by the senior high school students that make them hard to cope with the online learning. These are experienced by each of the students. Challenge. Challenge is something that tests strength, skill, or ability, especially in a way that is interesting. In the study, challenges refer to the struggles that the grade 12 senior high school students currently facing with the online class. Students need to face these challenges to succeed this school year. Online class. Online class is a course conducted over the internet. They are generally conducted through a learning management system in which students can view their course syllabus and academic progress, as well as communicate with fellow students and their course instructor.
Student is a person engaged in study, one who is devoted to learning, a learner, a pupil, a scholar, especially one who attends a school or who seeks knowledge from professional teachers or from books. As the students of an academy, a college, or a university, a medical student, a hard student from Webster Dictionary. In the study, students refer to the person who served as the respondents and interviewees used during the study. They are the one who enrolled for the online class for this school year who encountered difficulties. Senior high school is the last 2 years of the K-12 program that includes grades 11 and 12. It aims to equip you with knowledge and skills that will help you prepare better for your chosen path. From education.ph. In this study, senior high school referred to program or department where the grade 12 of Central Philippine University students belong to. It is the requirement before proceeding or entering to college.
Social constructivism. Lee Vygotsky posited learning is problem solving, and that the social construction of solutions to problems is the basis of the learning process. John Dewey saw learning as a series of practical social experiences in which learners learn by doing, collaborating, and reflecting with others. The use of reflective practice by both learner and teacher is pedagogical cornerstone for interactive discussions that replaces straight lecturing, whether in a face-to-face or online classes.
Online Collaborative Learning, or OCL. This theory proposed by Linda Harasin, which focuses on the convenience of the internet to provide learning environment. OCL has three phases: idea generating, idea organizing, and intellectual convergence. OCL also encourages students to collaboratively participate in learning activities that are given to them, such as problem solving, through this course where the teacher plays the role of facilitator. Unlike constructivism, OCL is best suited to smaller structural environment.
Related literature. Number 1, How to Overcome the Challenges of Distance Learning, published at March 24, 2020. The author, Tiffany Wu, stated the challenges of distance learning. Wu mentioned the correct assessment of students' work. Online assessments are subject to the possibility of cheating between students. The leveraged use of synchronous technology can lessen the trouble of being not face-to-face with students. Another solution is to create rubric to students to make sure that each student is on track. Number 2, Guven T. 2015. The Effectiveness of Online Learning Beyond No Significant Difference in Future Horizons, Journal of Online Learning and Teaching. This study was done in 2015 and shows the statistics that needed to be understood on recent changes of face-to-face teaching and virtual learning. This paper is useful for researchers as there is strong evidence to suggest that online learning is at least as effective as a traditional format. And third, 5 major online learning challenges and how to solve them. Part 2 by Dennis Pierce, published at January 23, 2019. Shifting from face-to-face learning to virtual classes is entirely different for both students and teachers. Adapting into new situations is hard and requires patience and understanding, for it takes time to completely comprehend how computer-based education works. Online classes or e-learning is difficult and requires a lot of time in completing tasks, thus, time management is needed. Self-motivation is essential in e-learning or online classes.
Online teaching. 3 unique challenges and how to solve them. 3 unique challenges and how to solve them. Current prevalent. A pandemic that is happening right now, online teaching is really hard for the teachers to accommodate students due to times of significant disruption. The author asserts the students are more likely to observe but not likely to participate in online class. In the online learning, teachers are adapting with gadgets and digital courseware, even though it will be hard for them as well as the students. Halupa C. 2016. Risks. The impact of online learning and technology on students' physical, mental, emotional, and social health. Many lower-income families cannot afford to buy educational and informational technology. This can have a negative impact on youth who are expected to have these technology tools as well as internet access at home. The intent is to increase awareness of issues that may occur with technology use in children and teens, particularly those from low-income households.
Methodological approach. We are conducting a research titled The Difficulties Encountered by the Grade 12 Senior High School Student in Doing Online Classes. This study is purposely conducting a research and identifying the struggles in students' physical and mental health wellness.
as well as the difficulties encountered of students that are facing in doing online classes. This study is descriptive methods, which is the most suitable in our conducting research that requires questionnaires and observation only, and able to achieve the conducted research. This research have ethical consideration, which are informed consent, voluntary participation, do no harm, confidentiality, and only assess relevant components.
Research design. The study used a descriptive method to assess the difficulties of the grade 12 senior high school students. The researchers used the Likert scale to approach responses and to examine the cause and effect in online classes. The researchers used simple random sample to select the participants randomly so there will be no bias that will happen and to know their opinions in online classes. Sample site. In the sampling, we will only choose the grade 12 students of Central Philippine University who are taking up online classes. Due to the pandemic, we conducted the survey through online communication. The sample size of the study is 200 grade 12 students with a response rate of 100%. The researchers used the descriptive method as the method of analysis.
Method of analysis. Researchers use simple linear regression to estimate relationship between difficulties encountered by grade 12 students on doing online classes. We prepare the compiled data before analyzing it by checking if the respondents answered each given question and if they followed the instruction given. We started out based on section and based on the acquired results.
Methodological choices. The researchers used the simple linear regression to estimate the relationship between the difficulties encountered by the grade 12 students on doing online classes. The researchers limited the questionnaires as data is analyzed through numerical comparison and statistical analysis. The researchers used the Likert scale as the instrument to know the effects of online classes regarding on mental and physical health.